lipstick junkies, do you guys know what day is it today? If you're a true lipstick lover, you might know that today is National Lipstick Day. It is celebrated annually on 29th of July and was established in 2016. And I think it makes so much sense because lipstick is not just a makeup product. I feel it's a symbol of beauty, or your confidence and expression, and I genuinely love lipsticks. And on top of that, I love nude lipsticks so much, and I think all of us does because they are just more handy, more useful, and हम उन्हें डे टू डे ज्यादा यूज कर पाते हैं. सो आज इस स्पेशल ओकेजन पे मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ अपनी टॉप 10 लिपस्टिक्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स. These are something that you guys are gonna absolutely love. So let's get started. The first up, we have their first lipstick range that actually got really viral and is still a cult favorite. It's Insight Non-Transfer Lip Color and it's perfect lightweight affordable liquid lipstick. I got the shade Bougie and I love how beautiful this shade is. It's so nude, the formulation is very lightweight. I love how this shade looks on me. It has that perfect nude color along with some peachy tones. It doesn't wash me out at all. Still, अगर आपको लगता है तो you can apply a lip liner. Otherwise, you have some beautiful shades. Talking about the formulation, they are very lightweight. They have a very comfortable matte formulation that does not transfer and is very long lasting at the same time. If you love bullet lipsticks more, I have this one for you. This is Insight 24-hour non-transfer lip color. This is in the shade Stay Basic. Now this is a creamy matte formulation. That means when you apply it on your lips, it glides on very easily, very effortlessly. It's very creamy and very comfortable, and then it settles down into a matte finish, which is again very comfortable and does not dry your lips because it has vitamin E and jojoba oil, so it keeps your lips moisturized. And as the name says, Stay Basic, it's that perfect everyday shade for all skin tones. If you love lip creams, this one is for you. This is Insight Lip Cream. This is in the shade Nude. It's a very nice creamy formulation. It is again very lightweight, very comfortable on your lips, and it comes with hydrofilling technology. It also has niacinamide, avocado oil and coconut oil as well. So ये आपके lips को काफी अच्छे से moisturize करके रखता है and काफी lightweight feel होता है at the same time. Again, very long lasting and very comfortable. I love this shade because I am completely through and through a nude lipstick person. Next up, we have a very affordable bullet lipstick. This is Insight Always On Matte Lipstick. Now this is a very nice OG sort of formulation. It's a very comfortable matte finish. It comes in 24 different shades that you can choose from. Again, I think सारी ही range में, like सारी lipsticks में बहुत अच्छी shade range मिल जाती है आपको. I got the shade Belgian Brown and I love how this shade looks on me. It's that perfect nude shade and is also very affordable. So आप काफी सारे shades actually इस range में ले सकते हो. If you love that sort of lipstick that you apply and does not feel dry, cracky or anything like that, this one is for you. It's a very comfortable, affordable, long-lasting lipstick. Now the next one is one of my most favorite one. I have so many shades in this range. That is how much I love this range. Now this is Insight Matte Lip Ink. It comes in 24 different shades to choose from. I love it because it is so lightweight on your lips that you cannot feel like कि आपने अपने lips पे कुछ भी लगा रखा है. It's a matte lipstick, but the formulation is so lightweight and airy on your lips. It's so pigmented that it's like one stroke application, as you can see for yourself. It's also very long lasting. Dries down very quickly into a comfortable matte finish और फिर ये बिल्कुल भी transfer नहीं होता है. This is one of the best matte lipstick formulations that I have tried and the shades are so good. Okay, now the formulation of this next lipstick is so viral and trending. It's that creamy velvety finish. This is Insight No Smudge Lip Color. This is how the packaging look like. It comes in so many different shades and on top of that, I love the formulation. This kind of formulation is really trending. It's that Korean sort of formulation, you know, that is very creamy when you apply it and ये काफी ज़्यादा pigmented भी है. जैसे ही आप लगाओगे ना, it's like one stroke pigmentation. It has really good soft finish that has a very velvety moussey texture जो कि काफी ज़्यादा long lasting भी है. It does not smudge or transfer and still gives you a very soft finish. It gives a very luxe vibe and I mean I love how it looks on my lips and ये shade भी काफी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Now this bullet lipstick comes with Super Stay formulation. This is Insight Super Stay lipstick and as the name says, this is supremely long lasting but has a very creamy finish. I got the shade Sophia. तो आप बहुत अच्छे से अपने लिए जो भी शेड चाहो आप चूज कर सकते हो. जैसे आप देख रहे हो कितना ज्यादा क्रीमी है ये. इट्स वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड थोड़ी देर में इट टर्न्स डाउन इनटू अ मैट फिनिश दैट लुक्स ग्रेट एट द सेम टाइम. इट हैज अमेजिंग पिगमेंटेशन. तो अगर आपके लिप्स पे थोड़ी बहुत पिगमेंटेशन भी है, अगर आपको लगता है कि नॉर्मली बुलेट लिपस्टिक्स नहीं कवर कर पाती हैं, तो ये काफी अच्छे से कवर कर लेता है. एक बार सेट हो जाता है फिर ये ट्रांसफर नहीं होता है. नॉट गोना smudge or budge and stay for really long time. And the shade is amazing. That perfect nude lip shade for every skin tone, for everyday purpose, जो कि थोड़ा सा brown tones के साथ आता है, which is like so flattering. I have literally got something for everybody. Now if you love coral peachy tones, this one is for you. This is Inside Cream Matte Mousse and again comes with so many shades. I have this shade called Blossom. अगर आपको अपने ऊपर coral peachy shades अच्छे लगते हैं तो ये आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. The formulation is also really good. It's so pigmented, it glides on so effortlessly and has a lot of pigment, and once it settles down it turns into this creamy mousse matte sort of finish. Not like exactly matte, it has a moussey finish जो कि बहुत लक्स लगता है देखने में and is still quite long lasting at the same time. So if you love like a moussey, very velvety mousse sort of texture on your lips that feels very comfortable at the same time and does not dry your lips out, you're gonna absolutely love this. And if not this, they have some beautiful shades that you can choose from if you love this kind of texture. Okay, then we have a proper matte liquid lipstick that is smudge proof, transfer proof. Is this one from Inside. This is their Stay Matte Lip Color and I got the shade Core Memories. This is how it looks like. It's that perfect nude color with hints of peach into it. आप इसको lip liner के साथ भी wear कर सकते हो. And other than this range has some of the beautiful shades. It has some bright mauve, pink, आपको जिस भी टाइप का शेड अच्छा लगता है, and stays for really long time without smudging or budging on your lips. I literally saved the best for the last. This is one of my again most favorite one, and in fact this is what I am wearing on my lips today. This is Inside Prime Matte Lipstick. I got the shade Mojito. इसमें भी काफी सारे shades आते हैं. I love the shade. It's a very nice comfortable formulation. It's very creamy. It turns slightly matte but वो ऐसे top layer पे थोड़ा सा sheen रहता है तो वो काफी लक्स लगता है देखने में. मैं लेयरिंग के लिए भी इसको काफी ज्यादा यूज करती हूँ अपनी लिपस्टिक्स के ऊपर लगाने के लिए, सो दैट वो काफी ज्यादा लक्स और एक थोड़ा सा शीन हल्का सा रहे लिप्स के ऊपर और बहुत कंफर्टेबल भी है एट द सेम टाइम. तो लगे ना कि इट्स लाइक अ लिप बाम एंड लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एट द सेम टाइम. इट्स स्लाइटली मैट ऑल्सो एंड लाइक उतना ज्यादा ट्रांसफर नहीं होता है बट वेरी इजी टू लाइक रीअप्लाई. आई जस्ट अप्लाई इट लाइक ऑन द गो. सी इट्स वेरी क्रीमी है ना, से आराम से लिप बाम की तरह अप्लाई कर सकते हो. एंड there you go. All right guys, with that we come to an end. I really hope that you enjoyed and it was helpful. Before leaving, I'm going to talk about two of my favorite shades. Like I'm just going to tell you like these two are my favorite, shade wise B and formulation B. They are the best. I absolutely love them. First one has to be like, I love both of them equally. Inside Matte Lip Ink, I love the shade. Also Desert Taupe and Mojito from Inside Prime Matte Lipstick. So this along with all of the lipsticks will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Bye.